channel. Today's video is a beauty video. I haven't done a beauty video in a hot second. It is of this blue Smokey cut halo eye. I think the last beauty video that I did was for Christmas. It doesn't look that good until you get till the end, is what I'm telling you right now. It looks like a jumbled, bumbled mess until you put the lashes on and you're like, wow. If you like this video, at the end, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below and never press it again. Don't forget to turn on my notification bell, and if you would like to know how I did all this, then keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to start off, I think, going to do my eyes. That's what I usually do. We're probably gonna do a pretty bold look today. I'm feeling pretty blue. Most girls' go-to color is usually like bronze, orange, some nudes, like some nice brown tones. My go-to color for a YouTube video if I'm doing a beauty look is blue. I don't know why, I just love blue on my eyes. Let's get into it. I'm going to grab Tarte Shape Tape Concealer just to give my eyes a blank canvas. This is in the shade Fair Neutral. Okay, so now that we have our base down, I'm going to take a face powder and set my actual eyelids. Oh, shocker! We're gonna go in with a Morphe 35B palette because we're using blues. And what other palette has blues? Another Morphe palette that I have, the 39A, the other one that I only use. I think this is like not a blue, but I think this is a really nice transition shade for going into blues. It's a pretty green seafoam shade. It's in the middle. So we're gonna go in with that for my crease. I should probably just do one eye on camera and then one eye off. I'll do this color, and then I'm gonna finish this eye on camera. I'm gonna do this eye off camera because the second eye always comes out better. Back with this eye done. I first have my transition shade down, and then I'm going to go in with this kind of smaller blending brush. I'm gonna go in with this shade next and put that in my inner and outer corners and also down on my lid, but not actually in the middle. I first pack it in there just to really like secure it, and then I blend it out afterwards. Music make me lose control. Let's go. And then down on the inner and outer corner. Alright, let's go into the Dare to Create palette and take this deep blue shade, and we're gonna basically put that in the same spot, but when you go on the lid, bring it a little bit closer to the middle. You gotta get it right in the center of your eye. Just looks a little wonky. Alright, then when you deepen it up the most you want to with the blue, go in with some black very sparsely. That was not too sparsely. Whatever. It's okay if you go really far in the middle because you're just gonna cut it out anyways because we're doing a cut halo eye. So first I go in with, this is the Mayron foundation that I actually bought, the sample. This is pretty good to cut things out. I don't have that much Tarte Shape Tape. And I've been noticing that this doesn't go into your crease. Now I'm just gonna cut out the spotlight. Take a very small flat brush, and I'm taking a white shade and just setting that so it doesn't go in my crease eventually. I have to pee so bad. I crunched my eye. I crunched my eye. I take another different small flat brush, but this one's a little bit more defined, and I take some white cream paint and I go right at the top of it. This is a mess until the absolute end usually. Again, set it with white eyeshadow. For the last part of making it bright on top, I take the NYX white liquid liner and put that on the tippity top of the cut. I don't breathe when I do it. Now that's a freaking cut. And go back in with that cream paint and just blend it down because the liquid liner makes a pretty harsh line. You have to be very patient with these kind of looks. Again, it's a mess until the end, I swear. So, glitter. Let's work on glitter. I have Ben Nye glitter glue. I'm putting it near my lash line first. Okay, dummy me. I'm going to admit something that I'm not proud of. I used half this bottle before I realized that it said, do not use an eye area. It has not hurt me yet, and I still continue to use it because I don't have a glitter glue. Okay, taking this really cute teal glitter. I bought it off of Amazon for $2, and I'm putting that color at the base near my lashes. Once you're done putting that glitter on, take the glitter glue again, put it right smack dab in the middle of the teal glitter, and then right at the tippity top where you put the white eyeliner. And then I have a Mayron glitter dust in silver. Take that same brush, grab into the silver glitter. I like it because the teal is pretty chunky and the silver is very fine. I'm gonna take some more of the teal, bring it a little bit further upwards just so it's not a super harsh line between the silver and the teal. Don't you dare freak out. We're gonna blend it. Go in with that dark blue from the Morphe 39A palette. I have this detailed little brush from Morphe. It's an M507 brush. And then start from the base, just tapping motions. Tap, 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 tap. I'm taking my transition shade and going right next to it. Pop on some winged liner. I'm taking the NYX matte liquid liner. Take it from your waterline and go towards the end of your brow. I think that's what works the best for me, but it depends on your eye shape. Flea wing. Make it the fleest wing you've ever made. Liners on. So taking that black shadow and going real close to the halo. One more thing, take a black eyeshadow and take a tiny eyeliner brush and just go right next to the line so it creates a nice contrast. And then take a smudger brush, going with one of the dark blues you took, and then just tap next to the black so it's not so harsh. And now I'm going to pop on a lash on this side and I will be right back. Eyes are on and very cute. I already had moisturizer on today. I don't want to put it on double time. I'm going to take the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. Taking some Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to spot conceal because I got some blemishes, a lot. Let's go in with my fair Tarte Shape Tape and go underneath my eyes. Take your baby beauty blender and blend everything out. After you blend out your concealer, take the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and then you're going to go underneath your eyes, bake your smile lines, and I also bake my nose and my chin because that tends to separate and come off first. And then I take this small little stipple brush, and with the leftover powder, I brush that all over my face. So much powder. Taking my Tarte Amazonian Clay Matte Waterproof Bronzer in Park Ave Princess, the matte version, and taking this Mikasa brush in, that is number F11. And then I blend it out with an actual different brush, but I like actually packing down the powder first with this brush. Then I take a Morphe M439 brush and really tap that out. Ew, I hate sneezing with makeup on, like a full face. Oh, that's the worst. After that, I take a contour shade, take a fan brush, and just quickly run that down my nose. Next, grab your blush. finally, taking the Aurora palette, I'm going to mix together the blue one and the silver one, so it will not be too blue for me and make my skin a different hue. Oh wow, that is pretty. Taking that blue highlighter on a brush and spritzing it with some rose water. I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. Take the silver and I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. Now I have to do my bottom lash line because it is naked. Woo! Almost done, almost done, almost done. Take your transition shade, that nice tealy blue, and just run that on the inner and outer corners. Leave the middle open because we're gonna make that the spotlight on the bottom as well. Take that darker blue, go closer to the lash line. And then take that shade from the Aurora palette and put that right in the middle, the blue one. I'm going to do my brows off of camera and I will be right back. And last thing I'm going to do is lips. I need to lip line first, so I'm going to take with just this Kylie one in the shade Candy K. I'm going to take a small lip brush, pick up a nude shade. And then I'm going to go in with white in the middle. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this look, please like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions of what I should do next, there's a bug. Leave it in the comment section below. Any of my Netflix inspired makeup look series, any beauty looks that you would like to see, anything. Or you can just leave me a comment down below. I answer back to everyone's comments, so if you would like to chit chat, go down there. I thank you guys so much for being here. I love you guys, and I will check you in the next video. Bye!